it's only
What time check also?
time check 1:10 a.m. Yan, 1:10 a.m. po dito sa Manila. And this is my first day here in Manila. And yan, papunta na agad ng Singapore. Hindi pa po ako nakakatulog, guys. Pero hindi naman ako mukhang ngarag, kaya okay lang.
Mas maganda pala ng joke.
Wow, short hair. Dito na po kami sa airport. Ninoy Aquino Airport. Terminal 3. Palabas na, guys. Papunta na po kami ng Singapore. Sakay na kami ng eroplano. Grabe, wala pa akong tulog. Wala pa kami tulog. Ate Jinky.
Good morning, everyone. This is First Officer Kenneth Abando. Captain Dennis Galaxy.
Yung parehas yung gustong nasa window seat. Kaya ngayon parehas kayo nasa window
3 hours
seat.
and 10 minutes. It is forecasted to be cloudy. Singapore weather update shall
Once again, we are on your flight. The captain is switched off. The fasten seatbelt sign at this time.
Belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for...
National Airport in Singapore. Local time now is 40 minutes past the hour of 9 in the morning. And for your information, there is no time difference between Manila, Philippines and Singapore. The ground temperature is at 25 degrees centigrade. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt signs. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while the cabin doors are closed. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. And be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight.
Morning.
Tired.
Rogart.
Kitty. Pagod na kami. Antok.
3 hours sleep.
Sleep na si Bunso mamaya pagdating.
Once again, may you remind all guests
Walang tulugan. Walang tulugan to,
keeping your
guys.
seat pockets in overhead bin compartments.
Walang mapapagod
To ensure
ngayon.
you
Walang
do not
karapatan
leave
tayo
any of your
mapagod.
personal belongings behind.
Mahal ang
And for
ticket.
guests needing special assistance, such as wheelchair, please be advised to the plane left.
We're here na, guys. Kung kailan kami aalis, tsaka pa kami pinimpol ni ate. Napaka-bad timing naman. True. Sige. We're here at Singapore Airport. Ang mga mommies po ang nag-ano sa akin magpagupit. Kaya new hair tayo for today's video. Ano siya? Layer. For the layer. Palabas na guys, wala nang wifi. Tapos ang kasama ko.
Are you hungry?
Yes!
Hungry or hangry?
Hungrier.
Hungry and angry together. Okay, just hungry. That's good. But there's no lunch in the program. But we try to squeeze in some time for you later. Yeah, for you to have some quick lunch. Not a heavy lunch, something to fill your tummy. But where we're gonna do that is somewhere in Chinatown. Not now. Okay? So we're gonna be here for about 20 minutes or so, and then we're gonna come back to the bus. After that, we're gonna
Start
straight
na
to
po ang
bring
tour
you into
namin.
the city. Yeah, to take
Kala ko
pictures of the
magnanap muna,
Malayan
wala na pala
statue.
ito.
You know the Malayan statue? The same over 42 years.
Wow.
Still vomiting very badly. No cure for him. But that's the tourist icon for Singapore. And I think most of you are first time. Some of you have been here before. And for first time visitors, you have to take a picture with the Malayan statue. If not, you have not visited Singapore. Nobody will believe you that. Yeah? So for Malayan, we're going to go to Chinatown for you to have your quick lunch. And then we're going to take a picture of a very beautiful Buddhist temple. Okay? And then after that,
Ganda po dito at sobrang linis.
all in one. So we're going to keep you all together easier and not to look out
Kahit
in,
nasa
in
malapit
other
pa lang kami
places.
sa
So
airport.
that's one. After that, we're going to go to the gardens by the bay. Yeah? Just take your time to enjoy the places. Okay? So for us this morning is just for bring you to places. So you have an items by the bay, the Buddha temple. We're going to take group photos, right? So what we can do is we try to another 50 million passengers, totaling to about 135 million passengers a year. So they want to leave it behind, except for your passports, your phones, your wallets, yeah, the valuable ones. You just bring it along with you. But it's naturally safe here in Singapore, right? So things that you don't require, just
Hi, Singapore! Wow. Oh, di ba? Yan siya sa polo kanina.
follow the green dot and remember your way back that way.
O si Mami Jomalan kanina, guys. Nag-antay. Grabe.
Follow the green dot, okay?
Saan kaya siya? Wow! Wowers! Wow! Sana andito ka, Jam? Oh? Kung andito ka, be, nag-enjoy tayo ngayon. Charis, hindi pala nag-enjoy kasi wala ka. Hindi, ang ganda dito, legit. Wow! So pretty, so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. Wow. Ganda. So pretty. Ang ganda po dito. Sobra. Pwede ba dito na lang tumira?
Minutes to the Malayan statue. Over there, we're going to give you about 15-20 minutes to take pictures of the whole waterfront. And then we come back again to the meeting point and then come back to the bus together. So that will be the next stop sequence, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be quite a long walk. Yeah, please do not be too far away from me. Try to stay together. And then we try to go to take a photos to this place just shortly. So there's the gardens by the bay on your left, ladies and gentlemen. The shorter one is called the Flower Dome. You can see the two domes, yeah? Flower Dome, and the second one, if you look through, there's a mountain inside, cloud forest, a wonderful. Inside there's a beautiful waterfall, right? So I would suggest and strongly recommend for you to go there on your own this evening or tomorrow evening or tomorrow late afternoon. And then you know Formula One? Yes, Formula One racing starts from. There's another show at night at 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So obviously you can't make it for 8 o'clock because you're still here. that designed the Jewel, the airport. Some of us hate it, but eventually we all love it because it becomes an iconic building in this city. And then it actually designed after the microphone, yes, because this is a concert and theater hall for music, not just from Singapore, yeah, but from Philippines, yeah, from Brunei, from Malaysia, Indonesia. You can, is there a flying saucer above? Yes, like a UFO. So this designed by a famous British architect, Sir Norman Foster, ladies and gentlemen. So a lot of architects would like to have projects in Singapore, yeah, because of his marketing ability to the world. Yeah, so people could appreciate their design and work. And this is our Parliament House, ladies and gentlemen, here. So we are in a parliamentary system in Singapore. Our Prime Minister governs the country. We do have a president here, but the Prime Minister is more active, yeah, the one that governs the country. Our president, who's my president, Mr. Tharman Shanmugaratnam. He is the 9th president of Singapore. He is the highest paid president in the world. Yeah, he's paid about $4.5 million a year. It's crazy. They are highly paid, so they're not attracted with any other forms of income. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to alight here. What is the time now? 12:50, so we need to leave here by 1:20 at least. So we're gonna drop here and then we're gonna walk straight to the Malayan Park. Alright?
Sino nasabi nag-chat sa'yo?
Hello guys,
Powerbank namin. Ayan,
dito po kami
At
sa...
saka yung phone namin.
Hindi ko alam to. Nakalimutan ko.
Kaya sabi namin mamaya sa
Yan,
hotel.
ang ganda.
Gusto po namin tawag kasi doon makapag-charge kami.
So guys, yan. Lumalaban ang ating battery. Bota kami, naglalakad-lakad. Yan guys. Sobrang wow, may mga fruits. Daming fruits. Apo. Feel na feel ang pagiging bakasyonista. Ang init. Wow, dito pala yun. Yung may sumusukang layan. Ito naman umiihi ang bibig. Charis. Ganda. Yan guys. Yan po ang view dito.
Significant history to Singapore. Yeah, that's where we surrendered to the Japanese surrendered to the British at that time when they gave up World War II. And this is where we first sang our national anthem when we gained independence and saw our new flag, as in our national flag, yeah, the one with red and white, the crescent and 5 star. The tallest hotel in Singapore on your right is a tall building that looks like a Coca-Cola tin. This is called the Swiss Hotel, the Stanford. Yes, this is even taller than Marina Bay Sands, ladies and gentlemen, built in 1986. That time it was the tallest hotel in the world. Yeah, not many people know that. Yeah, we have the vertical marathon every now and then, a long time ago. Yeah, the fastest time is 7 minutes 21 seconds. I have not tried. I don't think I can make it even halfway up. Yeah, it's about but they always do a charity thing. For every step you go up, yeah, a dog. First thing they do is they visit these places to give thanks to their dogs. Yeah, for their safe passage. And of course, when they go here, they meet new friends from the same city or same country. That's where they seek to try to find jobs and a place to stay, to start a new life here in Singapore. Chinatown, that side, ladies and gentlemen.
We're here the Chinatown complex. Yeah. We're about to eat, guys. My God. Wala pa tayong kain. Grabe. Grabe ito. Pero yan po talaga kapag turista ka. Kailangan mo talagang tiisin ang gutom, ang puyat, ang pagod, ang lahat-lahat. Kailangan mong piling mag-enjoy.
220.
Sugarcane juice?
Yeah, for the upsize.
Hindi ko alam din eh. Wow. Salted egg.
Time-slot kasi tayo.
Kailan yan?
Wait lang.
Wala namang salted egg, guys. Sobrang sarap po.
Salted. Chicken salted.
Yan guys, itong sa akin ay salted. Salted egg.
Parehas ng confidence sa color.
Salty siya na creamy. Yun po yung lasa niya. Salty na creamy. Nice. Guys, so ayan. Nandito pa po kami sa Chinatown. Pagpasensyahan nyo na po ang mukha ko, guys. Wala pa akong tulog. Yan, bumili na po ako ng wallet para kay mama at para kay mama ni Jam. Yan, binilan ko po sila ng Lucky Wallet. Red po ngayon ang Lucky Wallet. So, yan ang ating pasalubong sa kanila. wallet from Singapore. Yan guys, sobrang ganda dito. Yan. Kung andito ka, James, ay matutuwa ka talaga as in. Yan, ang ganda dito, James. Hindi ito binibenta. Alay ito. Mga alay itong fruits. Cause it's raining in Singapore. Tumulan po dito sa Singapore.
Highway or under tunnel, it's underwater. Yeah, we go under the water, under the riverbed, and we go up again. Yeah, so this one connects from the eastern people to the western, western to east, yeah, the traffic. So they don't have to go into the city and disrupt the traffic flow. Straight down under, up again to Changi Airport, and Changi Airport down under, up again to the western corner. Yeah, so they manage it quite well. So Singapore today is considered like a model city. Of course, all these tunnels, we do not know how to do it. We got inspiration from the French. Yeah, from the Swiss people, from the Japanese for the railway, right? And then for the undertunnel, maybe Boston as well, a little bit of the London railway as well. So we get the best of the best from around the world. We try to implement them in the city to create a model city. Yeah, so that's how Singapore came about. Today, yeah, some other cities would like to learn from Singapore and how they manage the city to make it so beautiful. Yeah, although it's really modern. Although Gardens by the Bay is man-made, it's going to be warm at the gardens. Inside the flower dome is air-conditioned. It's acclimatized to the flowers that grow on the mountainous regions in Southeast Asia. One of them is Google, right? The orchids. Yeah, very beautiful, right? So that is not compulsory, right? Because the tickets will cost you about $59 over the counter. Yeah, if it might help you, let me know. Drop me a text. I think my agent can get it for $49 or something. Alright, but again, this is something to think about for you to do, but to explore the outdoor gardens, not this one. This is just a plain land. This is not the Gardens by the Bay. The Gardens by the Bay is further down, right? To enjoy the outdoor gardens and the show that I mentioned, it's free. Okay, so there are plenty of free attractions for you to enjoy. Of course, recommend you to come back to the Malayan and see form. Malaysia digital arrival card. Alright, give us some time because we are waiting for the bus number to fill up in that card. So we will create a template for you. All you need to do is fill up your name as per your passport number, the expiry date of your passport, yeah, and the rest you just follow whatever we type. Your hotel address, yeah, the bus number.
Papasok na tayo guys ng hotel. Thanks God, natapos na ang first day trip natin here in Singapore.
Tired.
Kailangan na natin maligo. So guys, naka-check-in na po tayo dito sa aming room. Kung makikita niyo naman, ito ay pang 2 tao. Yan, 2 beds. Here is mine. So yan, ang ating OOTD simula pa kahapon. Sobrang ganda po dito sa Singapore, as in, sobrang grateful talaga ako. Thank you so much, Mami Esther. Thank you po kasi pinaranas mo sa akin ito. Mami Ilocana Pinay sa UK. I love you so much po. Yan. Sobrang saya ko po, as in, sobrang saya ko. Pero sa kada pupuntahan, lagi kong naalala si James. Sabi ko, OMG, siguro kung kasama ko dito si James, siguro sobrang matutuwa siya. Kasi ang ganda talaga, and alam ko na dream country niya din to. Same kami. And yan, syempre gusto ko siyang makasama sa mga travel ko, sa mga ganyan, sa mga bagay na gusto kong ma-achieve. Nagre-reklamo guys si ate sa CR. Wala kasi nung yung panghugas ng yung may hose, nakalimutan ko yung tawag po. Yan. Ang ganda, sobrang ganda. Mga first time ko lang na po. Ang dami ko pong napuntahan ngayon na first time lang dahil sa community. Kaya sobrang saya ko po talaga. Ang dami sa aking nagmamahal. Ang daming sumusuporta sa akin. Yung mga taong patuloy na minamahal at sinusuportahan ako. And ginagawa ang best nila para pasayahin ako. Thank you so much po. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo lahat. Grabe. Yung kanina, kahit alam mo yun, sobrang pagod ako, gutom na gutom, walang tulog. Pero, ang saya ng puso ko kasi, 'di ba, hindi lahat ng ng tao may opportunity na ganito, 'di ba? Makapag-travel, 'di ba? Makakalabas ng Pilipinas nang walang gastos, 'di ba? Dahil lang sa mga taong nagmamahal at sumusuporta. Kaya sobrang grateful talaga po ako kay Tita Ami. Thank you so much po. Kasi mahirap po ngayon bumiyahe ng Bicol to Manila. Kaya siya ang nagbayad ng plane ticket ko. Thank you so much, Mami. Tita Ami, love you so much. And kay Tita Chona, thank you so much, Tita Chona. And sa lahat ng mga mamis na mahal ako. Mahal na mahal ko din po kayo. Yan, bumili na po ako ng mga pasalubong kanina. Pasalubong sa papa ni Jam, sa mama niya, sa aking mama, sa ate ko, tapos kay daddy. Yan. Kasi alam ko yung mga magugustuhan nila. Si mama po kasi ay gusto ng wallet na pula. So, binilan ko na siya dito sa Singapore. Tapos yung mama din ni Jam, gusto ko parehas sila ni Tita Angel. Tapos si mama parehas may wallet na red. Kasi lucky color po yon, lucky wallet ngayon. Tapos si daddy naman ay gusto ng belt. And for sure naman magugustuhan din ng papa ni Jam yung belt na galing ng Singapore. Kaya binilhan ko po sila parehas. And yan. Sobrang excited po ako sa mga magiging adventure ko dito sa Singapore. Mga may experience ko pa. And yan, sobrang happy po ako. Sobrang happy ang heart ko. Sobrang grateful po ako sa lahat ng mga nangyayari ngayon. Sa lahat ng mga nangyayari ngayong taon. Hindi man naging perfecto yung flow ng buhay ko ngayong taon. Marami mang nangyari na hindi maganda, pero mas marami pa din yung mga nangyaring magaganda. And I know that everything happens for a reason. 'Di ba? May mga bagay na nangyayari kasi kailangang mangyari. Kaya yan, sobrang grateful po ako. Sobrang grateful ako sa mga taong meron ako ngayon. Sa mga taong nawala sa akin. Still, sobrang grateful po ako sa kanila kasi naging part sila ng buhay ko, ng journey ko. Kaya yan, yung respeto at yung yung pagtanaw ng utang na loob ay andyan pa rin. And yan po, wishing na pagdating ng 2025, mas marami pa akong mapasaya, mas marami pa akong matulungan. And yan, sana mas lumaki pa po ang community natin. Thank you po sa inyong lahat and mahal na mahal ko po kayo.
Halata ka, Bin.
Hi guys! So yan, nandito na po kami sa kwarto at ayusin ko yung mga pasalubong para kay tita. Mga pasalubong po ito ni Tita The Weather Vlog. So bumaba po si Ate Jinky para sunduin si Tita Jumalen. So, ayan. Ito, napakarami pong pasalubong galing kay Tita The Weather Vlogs para sa ating community. So, yan. May mga pa dito. Pero mamaya ako na lang buksan yung bag ko kapag andito na si Tita. Or buksan ko na ngayon para maayos na. Kuhanin po natin yung mga pinagawa kong souvenir para sa ating mga community or members na andito po sa Singapore. Nagpagawa po ako ng namin ni Jam. Calendar. Mini calendar guys. Tignan nyo. Napaka-pretty. Ayan. Hindi pa po ako nakakabihis yan. Yan po ang mga pang-giveaways natin dito sa Singapore. Mga namin ni Jam. Tapos, yan. Nalagyan ko na lang ito dito si Tita Jumalen ng 4. Tapos, kung may mamimit pa po ako dito, bibigyan ko din. Hagarda na dahil. Hagarda na po ako. Pero ako yun. Kachat ko guys si James. Sabi ko kasi miss ko na si Ate Jan, yung kasama namin yung ka-work niya sa One Media, medyo close ko na din kasi yun. Sabi ko sa kanya, miss ko na yun. Tapos tinanong niya kung siya ba daw, kung nami-miss ko. Hindi ko pa na-reply. Mamaya na, hayaan natin siya mag-wonder kung nami-miss ko ba siya. Pero, alam niyo yun, sa lahat ng tour talaga namin, iniisip ko na siguro kung kasama ko si Jam, siguro ang saya-saya. Siguro ang saya-saya niya. And ang saya-saya ko sa mga makikita namin. Kasi, guys, OMG, diba? Once in a lifetime experience. And dahil kila Mami Esther, kila Mami Jumalen, kila Tita Ami, and sa lahat po ng mga founders ko, Mami Violeta, Mami Jing, Mami Au, Mami Rosalyn, Mami si Mami Jinky, Mami Lori, yan sa lahat po ng mami ko na nagmamahal at sumusuporta sa akin. Hindi ko po ito mararanasan kung wala kayo, kung wala ang mga patuloy na naniniwala at sumusuporta sa akin. Kaya sobrang blessed po ako. Ito po, naka-ready na yung pasalubong natin kay Mami Jomalen. Antayin na lang natin siyang makarating at anong oras na gusto ko? Gusto ko natin mag-power nap. At parang low-bat na. Ito guys, bumili din ako ng mga pasalubong. Ito yung mga nabili ko. First day pa lang ha. First day pa lang. May mga nabili na ako agad na pasalubong. Excited yarn.
Pahinga mo na.
Oh my, wow!
Aracel.
Thank you! Wala, Tita!
Pagod na pagod kami. Uy, ano, oras na kami naka-lunch kanina.
Wow! Ang ganda ng flowers!
Ganda na pa-surprise namin.
Nagbe-video ako at pinapakita ko yung mga gift ko sa iyo. Pati yung mga souvenirs na nabili ko na. First day pa lang.
Wow!
Sabi sa'yo, kaya nagpapalit ng pera.
Actually, talaga palang magkaiba naman kita.
Ang saya naman bata.
Kaya, nung nasa taxi ako, nung nag-grab ako pagkarating ko ng Manila, sabi ko, bakit kaya ang saya ng puso ko? Pero hindi ko lang akong alam. Tinatanong din ako nila, Mami Jinky, bakit ang saya mo? Sabi ko, hindi ko alam, Mami Jinky, basta ang saya lang ng puso ko. Pero hindi ko pa alam kung bakit.
Nakakutunta, sabi niya sa akin, sabi niya pa sa akin, tita, bakit ka nag-by si Jana?
Oo nga.
Sabi mo sa akin, nakakutob ka na.
Ang daming ang daming,
Nililin lang ko siya eh.
happy.
Nililin lang ko siya eh. Pero,
Papapat ka pa talaga ha.
Umiiyak ang bata. Ano sasabi mo? Ano sasabi mo?
Saya! Hello, grabe! Hindi pa din ako makapaniwala. Guys, OMG, nasa Singapore po kami.
Singapore kami.
OMG.
Sabi sa inyo guys eh.
Bumili pa naman ako ng pasalubong ko para sa iyo.
Wow! Dito ka pa sa agad.
Pasalubong ka.
Dito pa pala. Oo nga, pati sila. Tita Angel, nabilan ko na. Si Tito Jimmy, nabilan ko na din ng pasalubong.
Ang pera.
Kaya pala ang dami mong pinapalit ka niya.
Tapos nagtatanong ko sa akin,
Paano nagkasabay tayo sa dalaga? Paano?
Pinalit ko, 100
Parating ka pa lang, nasa taas na ako. Boarding na ako.
Oo
Nasa
nga,
ano
nagtaka
lang,
kami
check-in
kasi
baggage.
tama kayo sa pinalit namin. Hindi kasi namin alam. Sa airport kami papalit pala,
Grabe,
yung sa airport
astig!
pala.
Saan ka nagstay?
Okay, kaysa
Sa
sa...
condo, net na Esther.
Alin ang kondo?
Sa birthday.
Andun pa ako, hindi ako natulog, tapos andun ka?
Oo.
Oh my God!
Nandun ako sa taas.
Grabe!
O, diba? Christmas together! Yay!
Ay, oh my God!
Baka man, hindi na walang makasapos sa yakap yan.
Ano yung bibigay ako sa'yo?
Ayan.
Ano to, remembrance natin dahil first travel natin to.
Wow!
Sana
Ano
magustuhan.
yan?
Sana magustuhan. Sana magkasya.
Ano yan?
Sana magkasya.
Ano yan muna?
Yan talaga yung big surprise.
Wow!
Oh, may pagayon.
May patalikod effect. Ano yan?
Sorry.
Sana na ba?
Engagement!
Hala, ate, yung sing-sing mo, babalik ko na po.
Try natin, ha?
Hala. Load ka! Charis!
Next time, ha?
Ano yung promise?
Promise ring.
Wow.
Yan, medyo malaki siya dito sa akin.
Yan
Dito na lang.
Yan.
Kasi dito talaga ay wedding ring. So, dito ang promise ring.
Oh.
Thank you! Ang ganda. Alam mo, first time ko lang po magsuot ng sing-sing galing sa lalaki.
Ay, wow.
Ah, dapat di mo natatanggalin yan.
Huwag mo isasama.
Ganun daw yan.
Ay, gold dito.
Ah,
Wow! Nice!
Kabibil lang namin yan.
yes.
Wow! 18 karat gold. 18 karat gold, guys. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hello. Ate, pakikurot. Feeling ko na nanaginip ako.
Sasampalin kita.
Ay, mami, sorry. Andito pala ang isa kong mami. Dapat, ano lang, baby ka. OMG, thank
Kumain na kayo?
you.
Late na po, tita.
Oo,
Kasi kumain
kanina.
na kami. Sobrang pagod. Wala kaming tulog. Pahinga lang ng
Thank you, Mami Esther, sa lahat po ng founders ko. Grabe naman ang surprise niyo. Sabi ko pa naman. Oo. Thank you, Mami Esther. I love you. Sobrang successful po ng iyong ano.
Sa akin,
Surprise.
Mami Gemma.
Mami Jing, thank you. I love you so much. Sa lahat po ng founders namin ni Jam. Kanina pa nga ako nag-thank you sa kanila. Panis. Panis.
Abis ang sing-sing.
Panis.
Huwag mo daw sasanlayan, ha? Kaya mangyari.
Yan, mahal yan.
Kahit ano mangyari. Ay, sige, mag-picture kayong dalawa. Hawakan na yung flower mo.
Hello!
Parang akala mo talaga engaged eh, no? 1, 2, 3, smile. One more. Tinginan.
Okay, grabe ba? Wait lang guys, anda po natin ito. Yan, may regalo po ang aking mami Jo Malen. Wow! Heart! Heart guys, puro heart. Yan, punong-puno kasi ako ng pagmamahal. Kaya